Hello and welcome to CTR Boss. First and foremost, thank you so much for signing up to be a user of the platform. We're very excited to have you, and we have a lot of great things planned for the future. You can expect new updates and features to be rolled out every single week. What I wanted to go over in this video is just some of the basics to do with credits and setting up your first project. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Now let's take a look at the left here at projects. Projects are a great way to keep yourself organized for multiple clients or multiple websites. So for example, let's say I'm doing CTR and Geogrid for our dentist client. I click on dentist client, and now anything that I do on the platform, whether it's CTR campaigns or Geogrid searches or Geogrid reports, these things will only show up for that client. Now if I switch projects to a different client, you'll notice that CTR campaigns are gone. So to see the CTR campaigns for that client, you need to make sure that you are actively selected on that client, and you know which one you're selected on by looking at the top here. So now I'm on my dentist client. Now you can look at various metrics here, so dashboard, activity, you can see what the project has been doing, and then you can edit the settings or you can delete the project here. So projects are a great way to keep everything organized and use the different products between different websites and different clients. Now the next thing we should talk about are credits. So if you navigate over to subscription and subscription plans, you can see the various credit options. So what this means is every single month you will get topped up to this amount of credits. Any unused credits do not carry over for subscription plan credits, but they get reset to the amount that is offered here in the plans. So for example, if you're subscribed to the $29.95 per month plan, you will be getting 1,500 credits reset every single month, whether you use them or not. We have another option for credits, which are pay-as-you-go credits. Now the cost for these credits are a little more expensive, but they never expire. So for example, let's say that you're on this 1,500 credit plan, and you use up all of your credits, and there's still a week left in the month, but you still want to run more Geogrid scans or do more CTR campaign work. This means that you have the option then of, instead of upgrading your subscription, which is something you could do, you can also just go to pay-as-you-go and give yourself maybe a little top-up, like I want another 600 credits, or we can go all the way up to a massive amount of credits that never expire. So it just needs to be something that will suit your needs. Now let's talk about how credits are used. We have two products that credits can be used for. Number one is CTR campaigns, and number two is Geogrid. I'm going to cover what these different products are in a different video, but let me just explain quickly how the credits are used for these two products. For CTR campaigns, for every single search that you perform, it uses 10 credits. For Geogrid, for every scan that you perform, it uses 1 credit per marker. So for example, if you do a 3x3 scan, it will cost 9 credits. There's 9 total markers to generate data for. Something to note is that you cannot use pay-as-you-go credits on their own with CTR campaigns. You can use them on their own with Geogrid scans, but you cannot use them on CTR campaigns on their own. You need to have an active subscription to use CTR campaigns. And the reason for that is we have different things that improve based on what your package is. So if you have a CTR campaign and you run out of credits from your subscription, you can use your pay-as-you-go credits, but if you don't have an active subscription, your pay-as-you-go credits will not work for your CTR campaign. That's just something I want to make very clear. Now I encourage you to take a look at our next video, which is going to cover everything to do with CTR campaigns.